Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you how to make a scenario in your mind and how to create some question in English and how to give some answer in English. In this way you can do conversation with yourself, and the most important point, the most benefit of this activity of this method is that there is no one who can judge you. Okay, and your problem that ma'am I have no one with whom I can practice in English is going to remove, because you are your best friend, you are the one who is going to create an answer and you are the second who is going to give answer. So in this way you can do conversation with yourself and do practice how to speak in English fluently, how to give some answer in English, how to create some question in English. Okay, so first I'm going to give you some demo which is related in our family, in our classroom, in our any. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay friends, so first scenario that I'm going to give you how to make a scenario is depend on your family. Okay, no one can deny that ma'am I have no family. Everyone have a family. Some families are short, some families are big. Okay, if you have some family member, I mean to say mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demo. Okay, so the mother doing something in kitchen and daughter is standing near the mother, and she is asking a question to her mother. Mom, what are you doing? So the mother is going to give answer. I am making a breakfast. So in this way you can focus on all the scenario depend on present continuous tense. Okay, so mother give her answer, I am making a breakfast. And where is your father? What is he doing? So the daughter give her answer, father is washing car. Mom, where is my grandfather? I want to play with him. Your grandfather is watching TV. And the mother asked a question to her daughter, where is your brother? So the daughter gave her answer, brother is playing with puppy. And mom, my grandmother is doing washing dishes. Okay, so in this way you can make some scenario. And again the daughter asked a question to her mother, mom, what are you doing now? Now I am chopping salad, and salad is good for the health. So this is a short scenario. Okay, now I am going to give you another example, like classroom. Okay, there is two three member, and the first student ask a question, hi Sheila, how are you? And the Sheila is going to give answer, I am fine. Do you know where is Ram? Oh, Ram is teaching uh, English in the classroom. And what are you doing? I am texting some messages and giving some answer in a text form. Now, what are you doing in the evening? Why are you asking this question? Because I am having a tea party in a evening time. Would you want to come with me? Okay, yeah, sure, why not? I like this type of party. Sure. So this is the second scenario. Okay. Third scenario that I'm going to give you a demo is related on a traveling, aeroplane traveling. Okay. and some person is feeling uneasy. So the air hostess come near the first person and said, are you okay? You have problem? What happening? What happened? Oh, I am traveling for the first time, so I am feeling nervous. So the air hostess asked a question. Can you want something to eat or drink? Okay. Can you have some burger? Can you have some tea? Can you have some coffee? Oh, sure. Why not? What do you want? I want tea. Sure. So this is a second scenario. Okay. And then air hostess ask a question. Now, are you feeling okay? Yes, I am feeling okay after drinking, water. So this is second scenario. In this way, you can make some scenario and create some question in English and give some answer in English. Okay, it's very important to create a question and give answer. Once you do this practice each and every day, you will feel that your think in English is going to the habit of think in English is going to increasing, and you can easily think in English in any scenario and give answer also. So friends, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.